Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to contact Candy Crush Saga customer support team. To contact the Candy Crush Saga's customer support, launch open the Candy Crush Saga application on your device first. Make sure that you're logged in with your Facebook account or your King account, and once you're inside, tap on the pink gear button at the bottom left corner. Now, you will be able to see a little messaging or the speech bubble icon. Simply tap on it and this will take you to community.king.com website. Tap on the support option from the list and then scroll all the way down until you see this Contact Us section. Simply tap on Contact Us and you can now go ahead and choose your language, enter your email address, your full name, select your game, and write down why you are trying to reach out to the customer support team. Enter a detailed description of the issue in the Tell Us What You Need text box, and finally click on I'm Not a Robot box and click on the Submit button in order to submit your problem or your request. When contacting customer support, it's helpful to provide as much information as possible, including your player ID, the specific issue, and any troubleshooting steps you've already tried. By following this method, you will be able to reach out to the customer support efficiently. So that's how it's easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more Candy Crush Saga tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.